How dare you shovel? With a fucking neck full of dragging below my nose? You made me wait 4 fucking hours for this flight. Do you understand that? You made me wait 4 goddamn hours. You gave me 1 cocksucking warning. 1 warning. That's it. You gave me 1 fucking warning. I pulled it up the second he said something. The second he said something, I pulled it over my nose. Fucking bullshit. No, give me my shit. Give me my shit. Give it to me and I'll fucking move. Please don't get it. Don't fucking get it.
Tell me why my 5-year-old knocked his
Unbelievable.
bullshit. Okay, call your bullshit.
4 hours for this thing. And my nose is smoked for 2 seconds. And you give me 1 fucking warning.
Okay, record. Was this
And you
big
take my
butter?
camera off and treat it like shit.
Okay, my son.
That is fucking bullshit. And you both know it. Your nose is showing when you fucking approach me. You know that? Your nose is showing when you approach me. Do whatever the fuck you want.
Offer
Fuck you.
to comply. We offer to put it on.
No, give me my shit. I got an expensive watch on board. I got my backpack on board.
They're keeping us up. I don't know why. We're Americans. Just get off. Everything. It fell off his face and he apologized and fixed it. It wasn't good enough for them. But that's all that happened. I'm sorry. We don't know what. And this one, Frank, with JetBlue. So,
Stupid fucking plane.
it's okay, everyone.
Yeah, goodbye.
Let it go viral. We're gonna sue this for shit.
Bye.
You're holding my shit
What's your last
hostage.
name?
My shit.
Bye.
Right, what's your last name? Everyone I know is an attorney. I'm Bacardi. Have you heard of that?
Of course everyone you know is an attorney. Popcorn, anyone?